58 Foundations, one of our mantras is quality products and honest methods. Our goal is really to improve the health of the home and the people and pets living in the home, from the foundation up.
At 58 Foundations, we offer multiple services from basement waterproofing to crawl space encapsulation to foundation and structural repair to mold mitigation.
Our teams that are out in the field really have to have concern and care to be a 58er.
The reason we partnered with DOT is because we know that they care about the consumer. It's about making sure that they can take care of the environment at the customer's home with the least amount of chemicals necessary.
The DOT product, it's also great for our crews.
DOT uses significantly less chemical than other products on the market. It's not harsh on their PPE or on their skin, much less concerned about fumes, very little smell.
This is hard work. You're in a crawl space, you're in a basement, you don't have a lot of places to move around. We're able to do the jobs faster. The results are amazing. The fact that it uses such less chemical. Every customer for every crawl space is now offered the DOT solution. We follow very important and written SOPs for almost everything that we do, whether it's doing waterproofing, whether it's for structural repair, whether it's using DOT. The end goal is for us to be able to warranty it forever.
When you are a company that's been in business for 64 years and you have hundreds of thousands of warranties, you have to really think about responsibility and quality of your products and services. And we live in the community, our kids go to school together. These are our neighbors. So when we do the work, we're proud of it.
Thank you for calling 58 Foundations. We actually offer free estimates to have somebody come in and take a look at that for you.
We operate our business locally, but we're not a mom and pop. We're not the largest in the industry. We do business in 13 states, from Delaware to Georgia. We have the great benefit of having a semi-national footprint, so we can use the resources from other areas, other geographies to support these local communities too.
The new building has a 25,000 square foot warehouse. This is the space that's going to have all the inventory for the 13 locations we have. We're just moving in here. This will be filled to the brim with the products necessary to satisfy our customers. One nice thing about DOT is this is the inventory that we need to keep on hand. We're able to buy in bulk, and that also helps us keep our pricing consistent with our customers.
At 58 Foundations, we make our customers' homes healthier and safer.
We have an impact every day on the lives of our homeowners. We're solving the underlying causes of water in a basement or a crawl space, the underlying causes of the mold. We want to develop a long-term relationship with our homeowners, and we're providing a permanent solution.